What's going on, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, I have my Galaxy S9 Plus Midnight Black on deck. As you can see, I got two cases from Poetic on deck. Today, we're going to unbox these cases and see how they look on the phone. So let's get to it. Okay, YouTube, we're going to waste no time. Got my sexy black S9 Plus on deck, Midnight Black, and we're going to go ahead and jump into these cases. So shout out to Poetic for sending these over to BG Tech Life, and we're going to check them out. First case is the Poetic Affinity series. This is a case you've seen on my channel a lot of times. You see this case all over YouTube. It's a very nice case, clear case. So we're about to check it out for the S9 Plus. And I'm not going to go all crazy. Oh, I'm going to have to tear the top. I thought I was going to be able to get away with keeping the packaging nice, but I forgot I had to tear the top. So you tear the top like so, and voila. Open it up. This is the Affinity. And this is super clear. Some of them, you can get them with different colors, different outline colors. It'll be a mostly clear case, but different outline colors. Very nice case, and it offers protection. You know, a lot of clear cases don't offer protection. It's pretty much like a rigid polycarbonate, clear polycarbonate case. Give me a second. I'm going to get this plastic up off of the case. And that's good that they put this plastic on here to protect it in transit, because this is how you want a clear case to look. You see my hand, you don't see no color difference, no yellowish tint, no bluish tint. Very, very clear, and that's how you want it. Very protective. You can hear it. This will be a nice protective shell on your phone, especially if you got a screen protector. Throw the screen protector on, you rocking. I'm gonna drop the phone in. Oh man, that's a nice look right there. Nice clear look. If you want a clear case at a decent price, you don't want to spend money out the wazoo, definitely Poetic is a company that you could go with. Nice clear case, as you can see. Got some Poetic branding. Got some nice feet. So when you sit it down on a surface, the feet actually would take the brunt of the scratches and stuff. And all this stays nice and clear for you, so you could have your S9 Plus looking crisp like mine's. So this is the Affinity series. I drop a link down in the description. So we just gonna move on. We're gonna keep it rolling. Yeah, don't cut the camera, guys. Don't cut the camera. We're gonna keep it rolling. We got the Poetic Nubuck Galaxy S9 Plus in black. Okay, I'm gonna check this one out. See if I can get better. I'm about to rip it open. There we go. Tore the perforated edge off the top. Now, because I'm missing my fingernails due to popular request, let's slide this out like so, because this is looking pretty hot. It's a Nubuck. It's like a faux leather type case with a nice, this almost feels like a suede type material. Really dressy case right here. Looks really good. Nice Poetic branding, nice Poetic P. I like the combination. Let me get this foam out of here. I like the combination of the gray and the black. Looks really good. And the materials look really classy. Got your power button. Got all your cutouts on deck. Volume up and down, Bixby button. Nice feeling hand. Nice comfortable feeling hand too. I just had to smell it to make sure it was what it was. This feels like super authentic leather though. I like the stitching around here. And this is a wallet case. Oh wow, they got a wallet. They got a card in here. Okay. And it tells you how to place credit card on top of the strap, and you will push it down, place it on top of the strap. And that way you could pull the strap out. You get the idea, the gist of it. The strap is there so when you put your credit card in, you can actually retrieve it really simply. If you like me and don't have much of a fingernail. But this is really dope, really good looking. I'm trying to do this, give y'all another example. But you know what? We're gonna scratch that. Y'all see what it is. Y'all see it comes with the instructions. And oh, place the credit card on the back of the strap, not above the strap. Cool. But let's just take a look and see how it looks on the device. Nice inside material, real smooth, sleek feeling, and it's nothing on here that feels like it'll damage your device while it's in the case. Boom. So that's definitely a nice look. That's a nice business type look. Got your card, your bank card or whatever in there, your black card or however you balling. Really nice cases from Poetic, guys. And this is the Black Nubuck. And I'm going to drop the links down in the description from Poetic. Real dope right here. It's your man BG Tech Life. Follow me on Instagram, BG Tech Life. Follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.